To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here.
Pinch the tab to remove the mass airflow sensor. Release the wire harness from its catch.
Disengage the fasteners. Lift the housing and free the tabs from their catch. Remove the old filter from the housing. Insert your new filter into the housing. Reinstall the housing by sliding the securing tabs in. Re-engage the fasteners.
Reinstall the wire harness. Reinstall the mass airflow sensor.
Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.